Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Riot account and system. This gets you into queues faster. Create or sign into your Riot account, verify the email, and enable two-factor authentication to avoid access blocks. Once done, make sure your PC or Mac meets Valorant's minimum specs and has up-to-date drivers. Update your OS if needed. Register the region and agree to terms so you can accept beta invites. These immediate steps remove avoidable roadblocks before applying. You now focus on application channels and improving your selection chances. Opt into every official beta or playtest form posted by Riot, subscribe to announcements, and follow Valorant accounts. Once enrolled, increase visibility by linking social accounts, participating in partner events, and joining community beta drops. These channels often receive invite batches. Make sure your account shows regular activity and adheres to conduct rules so you're not filtered out. Consistency and multiple valid entry points raise your odds. You finish by responding fast to an invite and resolving common failures. When Riot sends a beta invite, install the Valorant client immediately and ensure Vanguard anti-cheat is enabled. Delayed installs sometimes lose slots. Once installed, sign in and complete any onboarding prompts. If you never receive an invite, check spam and Riot inboxes and confirm your email link. If the client fails, clear temporary files, reinstall Vanguard, and contact Riot support with account details. This usually fixes access blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.